I'll be doing something I've not done before as far as this particular YouTube channel is concerned. So I uploaded a video yesterday and I noticed something in my comment section. You guys already know me, that I am that one person, that one creator, that I value my subscribers so much. So whatever you guys want is what I am going to give you, because you're the reason I am here. Sure, you're the reason I am here. So in that video, I talked about a particular AI tool. Then I gave the name of the AI tool at the end of the video. I noticed that my subscribers are after the names of these AI tools. Like, they don't even have time to watch the video. So on that note, in this video, guys, I will be telling you 10 free and unlimited AI tools that you can use for your image generation, text to video, animations. Like, literally, you can use these AI tools to do almost everything as far as faceless content creation is concerned. So if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish. As a matter of fact, I think it is best you get your pen and your paper so that you can write down the names of this AI tool. Now, before we begin, there is really no point downloading these tools, you understand, because I'll be giving you 10 of them in this particular video. So if you get to download 10 different AI tools, like, you may not have space in your phone again. So we are going to use them directly from their website. I think it is better this way, right? So without wasting much time, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, kindly like this video, kindly share this video. Do well to leave a video request. Now let me say this quickly before we begin. In case I mention an AI tool that you know you can't use, like you don't know how to use it, you don't know how to use it for your image generation, your video, your audio, and all of that, don't bother yourself. Just let me know in the comment section that you do not know how to use the AI tool, and I will personally tag you to a video. If I don't have a video, I will make a video because of you. I love you guys. So without wasting much time, do want to subscribe. Let's just go straight to it. So like I already said, we'll be using Google for this particular tutorial, and the very first AI tool on our list is, okay, the very first AI tool for tonight is Qwen AI. Qwen AI. So I'm gonna head to click on it. This is the logo. This is the logo. This is what it looks like, this very first one here. So once you come on the platform, you go ahead and open it. Now once you open it, it will give you this interface. You may want to download, you may want to use it from the cloud. So this is Qwen AI. If you want to use it, there is really no problem. It is free. You can use it for free. The second one on our list is Digen AI. We have Digen AI. So if you scroll down like this, okay, this is it. This is the logo. This is the logo of Digen AI. If you go ahead and click on it, it will take you to an interface, like it will bring you to this interface. So you can use Digen AI to generate your images, your videos. You can as well use temp mail. So one thing about this Digen AI you need to know is this, like if you log in daily, you get credit. You can use temp mail to get credit. Trust me, if you use temp mail for this Digen AI, you won't run out of credit. You understand? So let me know if you'll be trying it out in the comment section. So the third one on our list is, guess the third one. Okay, Gemini Business. Gemini Business, I'm gonna head to click on it. So I'll go ahead and scroll. Gemini Business is the third AI tool on our list, guys. Okay, I've gone ahead to click on it, and it has brought us to this interface. Here it says ask Gemini. So this is it. You can use Gemini AI to create a music. You can use Gemini AI to generate images, to generate videos, and what have you. Personally, I think I've used this Gemini AI before. So if you don't know how to use it, just let me know in the comment section. So the next AI tool we'll be using this evening is One.com. One.video. One.video. So I'm gonna head to click on it. This is their logo. I'll go ahead and click on it. Now I'm gonna head to click on it, and it will take me to another interface. So this is it. You can use One.video to generate images. You can use it you can get free credit here as well. You understand? You can also use 10 mail to get free credit so that you don't run out of credit. So you can use you can create videos, you can create images, you can animate your images for free on One.video. So the next AI tool we'll be talking about is the next AI tool on our list is Google Flow. So this is it. I'll go ahead and click on this particular one here. I have gone ahead to click on it. It will take me to another interface. So once you come to this interface, you see create with flow. You go ahead and click on create with flow. So if you click on create with flow, it will take you to another interface. So with this particular AI tool, you can generate your images, you can generate your videos. I think one thing I like about this AI tool is that it gives you the leverage for you to extend your videos. You understand? So you can extend your videos. You can generate a video of 8 minutes. You will be given the privilege for you to extend it to 16 minutes and so on and so forth. So if you'll be using Google Flow, this is how to use it. So you can just go ahead and click on new project. So the next AI tool on our list for tonight is Google Whisk. Google Whisk. So this is their logo. I'll go ahead and click on it. I have gone ahead to click on it. Now it will take me to another interface. So it has brought me to this interface. I'll just go ahead and click on browse gallery. I'll go ahead and click on browse gallery. So I've gone ahead to click on browse gallery. It has brought me to this interface. I'll just go ahead and click on enter tool. I'll go ahead and click on enter tool. I have clicked on enter tool, and this is the interface it has brought me to. So one thing about Google Whisk is this: you can describe what you want. Like, you can generate your images, you can turn your images into video. You understand? So you just describe what you want. After describing it, click on that video. At the left hand side, you see a camera icon. You turn your video, you turn your image to video. So the next AI tool on our list is PixVerse. So this is it, guys. This is their logo. I've gone ahead to click on it. I've used all these AI tools before. I've used all of them. So if you have challenges using any of them, let me know in the comment section and I will personally show you how to use it. PixVerse will give you credit, so you can come here, log in, get your credit, use it to generate your images, use it to generate your videos as you want it, guys. So you can also extend your videos on this particular platform. So the next AI tool we'll be talking about in this video is Qwen AI. Qwen AI. So this is the logo of Qwen AI. You can go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, guys, how many is that? Is it up to 10? So once you click on it, here we have image edit, we have thinking, search, we have video generation, we have image generation, and all of that. So you can use Qwen AI. One thing I so much like about this AI tool is that I think they just updated their system, so it is better than it was when it came out newly. So let's move on to the next AI tool for tonight. So the next AI tool for tonight is is Vheer AI. I so much love this AI tool and I can't even explain. So this is their logo. This is their logo. If you go ahead to click on it, it will take you to another interface. Like, this particular AI tool saved me, seriously. You guys will not understand, but I know what I'm saying. So once you come like this, if you go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines at the right hand side, you see the things you can do using this AI tool. So you can do text to image, text to video, image to image, multi images to image. So this is it. You may want to log in, you may not want to log in. Trust me, Vheer AI will actually do what you want it to do. So the next AI tool we'll be talking about this evening is GeminiGen AI. GeminiGen AI, guys. So this is it. This is their logo. This is their logo here. I've gone ahead to click on it and it will take me to another interface. So one thing about this GeminiGen is this: you need to log in. Now guys, let me take out time to explain this. You see, each of these platforms I just mentioned, once you come here, ensure that your phone is in desktop site so that you have access to all their features. In some cases, if your phone is not in desktop site, you might not have access to all their features. There are some features you will see on my own video, and if your phone is not in desktop site, you may just be like, oh, this person lied. No, nobody actually lied to you. So do well to put your phone in desktop site. So let's talk about the last AI tool, the last but not the least. The last is Z.AI. Z.AI. So this is it, guys. I am waiting for it to take me to their official page. So one thing about this Z.AI is that their logo is actually letter Z. So this is it, guys. You can use this one for your image generation as well as your audio generation. So let me know which of these AI tools you'll be trying out. Let me know if you've used any of these AI tools before. Let me know if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Let me know if there is anyone you cannot use. If there is anyone you can't use, let me know in the comment section. Some of these AI tools, I've made videos with them. I have the videos here on this channel. So if there is anyone you don't know how to use, just let me know. I can tag you to the video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.